Hi, I'm Bill French, and I have a reverse mortgage. 3 years ago, my wife and I had a reverse mortgage done on our home, and to date, we have been able to save over $800 a month each and every month since we did the reverse mortgage. There are a number of reasons to do a reverse. Your reasons may be for home improvement without increasing your monthly expenses. You may need to pay for medical expenses. That can be done through a reverse mortgage. Or if you need if you wanted cash out to do that dream vacation, that's certainly possible. You may even want a line of credit that will actually pay you interest on the money that you haven't used in that reverse mortgage line of credit. The other great thing about the reverse mortgages is the misconception is that if you do a reverse mortgage, you lose your home. You've sold it to the mortgage company, or you've turned the deed over to that mortgage company. And in fact, my wife and I, like I say, we did the reverse 3 years ago. We still own our property, and we have the opportunity to either deed that property over to our children at a later point in our lives, or we can actually sell the home and take the proceeds from the sale of the home. So again, we're extremely pleased with our reverse, and we hope that you will look at this video and let you know that there are for real people out there that have done and are very pleased with our reverses. Probably about 10 years ago, we helped a number of people do a reverse mortgage. We worked at that time for a mortgage broker, and during that time we had one couple that was wanting to have cash set aside so that they could take a vacation, if they were up to it. That particular couple, one of them had cancer. They weren't sure how long they were going to live, and so they wanted the cash to be able to do that if in fact they could. Another reverse that we did was for a mom and a son. The mom was in her late 90s when she passed away. The son was in his 70s, and he had lost the income that his mom was providing. So we did a reverse for him, and he had his home was free and clear. We did a large monthly draw for him, and it worked out really well. Last weekend I was talking to an individual. His son had spoken to me, I believe it was in 2005, and during that time his dad wanted to do a reverse, and so we did a reverse for him and his wife at that time. And I spoke to him, as a matter of fact, last weekend, and his parents still have the reverse, and they still have a monthly income from that reverse mortgage that they did over 10 years ago. So again, we think a reverse is just a dynamite product, and we would encourage you to give Berkshire Capital a call and let us sit down with you on a one-to-one basis and figure out if a reverse mortgage is right for you. Thank you.